What? You already know. We had to start out the vlog like this, man. It's NY style, you know. Hey, man, we had it again. Yeah. Oh, man. Dodge Charger loud. You know what I mean, right? I have a burger over here, sir. In a minute. Sell some good burgers right here. You know what I mean? Let me not tell us this time, I'm just mash up some Popeye's chicken a while ago. Me tell us, yeah, my hand ain't greasy, one way if you can wash me hand, dog. Yeah, I said, I don't want to see me a drive round with chicken finger. In that real life. I said, charge your drive around with very greasy chicken hands. Listen to me. Month of traffic out here right now, my dog. Yeah. What kind of driving this one? Wagwan, on the road, charge it. Oh, driver. And German. Charge it. I'm breaking you store to sell watermelon or too early. How many blouse and skirt are going around here, brother? The summer, I'm telling you, say, my summer start already because summer short, you know. And only if overstand say summer short. I hear some people are going like summer 9 months something, you know. Before, by the time, watch them look at youth here, man. When they're running and nobody can give people no life sentence of prison. You know, don't do it. That's not necessary what them are doing, you bro. Yeah, man. The bridging just now want to drive here, so I made a let through the bridging. And the bridging still did it. I want him to use indicator. If him for buy that turn, that's how the people them package. The man I worry about all kind of thing where him not for free there. You understand? Yeah man. Yo bro, motor you see traffic there on the road, you know, bro. It's just a man can't make up his mind, you know. Or yeah, we have one next set of man who just decide to him nah park him car good enough on the bus. Can't go round him and them something when they look at pay traffic from. You see me? And yeah, people want to go home, bro. Or you want to get a work. Worst thing, not even going home like going got your job, bro. And you watch the time they run. And everywhere you go, brother, and somebody do something like. Now you have to start questioning it and ask yourself if them willfully do them something, you have to stop you. Come get two mesh marine over there. Me see the mesh, yeah. Yeah, man. You really are the thing. Yes. So me have to go get to a really hard mesh marine over there. Big up Popcorn. A Popcorn alone this year, really. Really hard the mesh. Really hard thing, man. You know what things set, man. You know, you got people country and just love for them fashion and sell out your culture and you're not having it. A sure forward runner. Come get a Jamaican mesh marina. Burn up a fruit at the looms around this blood clot. I want to hear about it, brother.